Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and put the DualSense into pairing mode by holding Create and PS until the light flashes. Once paired, make sure you updated the controller firmware on a Ps5 or PC. This prevents strange button behavior and lowers latency. Then open the Xbox Cloud Gaming app, sign in, and confirm controller support is enabled in App Settings, so the service will accept the DualSense inputs correctly. Once connected, test the controller immediately. Use the app's diagnostics or launch a quick demo so you can see how buttons map. If face buttons or triggers feel swapped, remap them in the game or adjust sensitivity settings because cloud input expectations differ between PlayStation and Xbox control schemes. If you notice jitter or lag, switch to a USB-C wired connection or use an OTG adapter. Wired reduces latency and gives a steadier experience, which is important for shooters and precision titles. You finish by launching the game and verifying every control responds as expected. Save any remap profile so you don't repeat adjustments. Once done, play a few minutes to confirm stability. If the controller disconnects or buttons stop responding, reset the DualSense using the small rear pinhole reset button, then repair. This clears pairing glitches. If problems persist, reconnect with USB, restart the Xbox Cloud Gaming app, and make sure no other Bluetooth devices are crowding the phone's radio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.